Hi everyone, so are you doing any last minute revision for CSEC Math this year? So follow me as I'm doing a new series which delves into topics that do not usually come on CSEC, those small topics that CSEC likes to pop up every now and then. So this topic, which appeared on the revised syllabus from 2018, has to do with contingency tables, and this falls under the topic of statistics. So this question is June 2021, question 5, part B. So we have a two-way contingency table which gives information on the mode of transportation to school for 100 students. So we have boys, girls, the number of students who walk, cycle, and drive, and total. So part 1, we have to complete the table by inserting the missing values for 2 marks. So let's look at the first missing value here, the number of girls who walk. So if we subtract 15 from 23, that will give us 8 girls who walk. Then let's look at the number of boys who cycle. So 15 walk and 14 drive. So 15 and 14 is 29. So 48 minus 29 will give 19. And the total number of girls, if we add up 8, 18, and 26, or just subtract 48 from 100, that will give us 52. And lastly, the total number of students who cycle, so if we add 19 and 18, that will give us 37. Okay, so that's your 2 marks. Let's look at part 2. For 1 mark, a student is selected at random. What is the probability that he or she was being driven to school that day? So if we look at the total number of students who were driven to school, that's 40. And the total number of students is 100. So the probability that any student, boy or girl, was driven to school would be 40 out of 100, which would be 0.4 as a decimal. So let's look at the last part, part 3. For 2 marks, one of the girls is selected at random. What is the probability that she did not cycle to school? So we are selecting from girls, so therefore we have to consider the probability out of the total number of girls. So let's look at the number of girls who cycle to school. So that would be 18. So the number of girls who did not cycle to school will be 52 minus 18, which is 34. So therefore, the probability that a girl did not cycle to school will be 34 out of the total number of girls, 52. Okay, and we can reduce that. 34 over 52. And if we divide by 2, that will be 17 over 26.